dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix your error on Mac. So if your Mac just stuck on loading screen, so how you can fix it. So I will shut down computer for you and just show you what you can try.
So just wait until it will.
Close all the apps and just power off our laptop. So just tap on power and choose option. Before you will see Apple logo, just keep holding this option and just
Release it. So here you can see your
your hard drive. Just tap on it. Just tap here and just run your system from this hard drive. So this is the first solution. If it doesn't help you, just power off your laptop again. Power on your laptop and just keep holding command enter at one time. Before you will see Apple logo, just keep holding these two buttons for maybe 5 seconds or something like this and just release them. And now you need to see Apple logo and loading bar here. So it means that it loading our MacOS utilities. So from them we will restore our system. So just wait, let's wait until it will load it. So now you just need to choose language.
English. So now just need to
Wait until it will examine the volume from your computer and just load our macOS utilities.
So here you can see, just choose disk utility and just tap on
Continue.
and now
We just need to choose our hard drive. So let's choose our hard drive and just tap on first add. So here you can see detect and repair errors in the selected volume container or device partition map. So what you do is just find different errors, corrupting files, and just fix them. So after it will done, so just restore your computer and mostly it helps. But if it doesn't help you can also try another way. So just restore your computer and just like I showed previous time, just tap on command and R and just get into this mode again and just try to restore from time machine your system. Or if it doesn't help you, you can also try the latest way, just reinstall your system from this option, second option.
so this is the way
How we can fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.